Hello everyone, Flavia Moki here, and I just want to shoot a quick video regarding having good credit. I've reached a couple of people, and some of them said, you know what, I don't want to have good credit. I don't need anyone to help me with my credit. So I thought about it, like, let me share this quick video. The way I want to give an analogy is like someone keeping their health. So most people, in most cases, who don't have insurance rarely go to see the doctor because they're gonna pay a lot of money, right? And the people who have insurance typically go see the doctor because they know the insurance is they have insurance coverage and they can go and have the health checked. So what happens is if you have health insurance, you kind of go for regular checkups. You have your blood drawn, urine sample, all the stuff they do out there, right? Just to make sure that your health is good. So they do the labs, and some cases comes you good, no issues, fine, right? But some cases they happen to find issues, and the earlier they find the issues, the better for you. So if they find something, like let's say you have diabetes, right? For just an example, you rather know you are pre-diabetic and start doing whatever you need to do to take care of your diabetes situation than wait till you are your sugar is all the way up there and you start getting diabetic shocks, and they have to maybe literally like maybe have to amputate your leg or something like that. You don't want to go to that extent. So the same thing with the, I just want to switch back to credit, right? So you want to make sure that your credit is on point. Um, so when, let's say for example, they lower the mortgage rates and you're eligible to refinance, that's not the time you start looking to see how your credit is. That's the time you call your loan officer real quick and you can finance. Um, and the other things I want to talk about is you build the wells when you're not thirsty, right? You dig up the wells so you have enough water while you still have water. You don't start digging the wells when you run out of water. That's too late. So what I say is you build your credit, start getting credit lines, credit cards, and such um, stuff like that before you actually need it. Case in point, let's say you have a good job and you're making good money, you can say, no, I don't need credit because I'm good because you have your job. But now what happens if you lose your job? What are you gonna do? You're gonna go apply for the loans. You're gonna go apply for the credit cards. And by that time, they'll say, "Hey, we want to verify your income." Then you're basically screwed because you can't do it. So all I'm saying is, fix your credit where you can. If you need help, we have experts who can help you, and we'll guide you. I was able to raise about close to 40 points in less than a month on my credit score, about 63 on my uh, auto score, and also insurance score. They're kind of three typical scores that kind of go hand in hand. So there's a lot that can be done. Don't wait till you really need it. Take your things before you have to. But the beauty about it, you don't have to do it yourself. You have experts who can help you. With that, reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll gladly help you out. Thanks. Bye bye.